What is currency in the SAP with a practical example? In the SAP S4HANA, a currency is the unit of measurement used to represent monetary values. It's essential for recording financial transactions accurately and managing financial data effectively. Currency defines how values are calculated, stored, and reported in the SAP system. Each currency is identified by a currency code, which follows the ISO standard USD for the US dollar, BDT for the Bangladeshi taka, Euro for the UK. Example of currency in SAP. Let's say a company, Dexmed Global Limited, operates in Bangladesh and has a subsidiary company in the US. Bangladesh company code BD01. The currency is BDT. US company code US01. The currency is USD. Practical example. The customer ABC Retailers buys a laptop from the US customer ABC Retailers located in the US. Product, laptop, price, 1000 US dollars per unit. Quantity, 5 piece. Transaction, details, local currency, BDT, company code currency, transaction currency, USD because the customer operates in the US and prefers payments in USD. The US subsidiary creates a sales order in USD, so SAP converts the transaction from USD to BDT using the exchange rate maintained in the system. Exchange rate 1 USD equals 120 BDT configured in the SAP system's exchange rate table. Transaction entry, sales order, value 5000 USD recorded in local currency, 5000 times 120 equals 600,000 Bangladeshi taka. This multi-currency handling helps companies with international operations maintain accurate financial records and prepare consolidated financial statements in the desired currency. Types of currency in SAP. Company code currency. The company code currency is called the local currency or primary currency. It is assigned to a company code based on its country of operation. Example, for a company code in Bangladesh, BD01, the local currency is BDT. So all transactions in foreign currencies are converted to BDT for reporting. Group currency. The group currency is used for consolidation and group level reporting across multiple company codes. Group currency is also called client level currency or global currency. Example, Dexmed Group may use USD as the group currency to consolidate financial statements globally. Transaction currency. Transaction currency, also known as document currency, is the currency in which a particular transaction is made initially. It could be the same as the company code currency or a different currency. Example, if the Bangladesh based company from the previous example has a US subsidiary's sales order might be created in USD US. In this case, USD is the transaction currency. Controlling area currency. This currency is used in internal reporting for controlling purposes. Depending on the configuration, it can be the same as the company code currency or different. Example, global organization may have subsidiaries operating in various countries, but it uses USD US as the controlling area currency for internal management reporting. Hard currency. Hard currency is used in countries with high inflation rates, where businesses need to report transactions in a stable foreign currency in addition to the local currency. Example, in a high inflation country like Venezuela, the company might use USD as a hard currency alongside the local VEF, Venezuela currency for financial reporting. Indexed based currency, this currency is used in internal reporting for controlling purposes. Depending on the configuration, it can be the same as the company code currency or different. Example, an index-based currency is used for inflation-adjusted financial reporting in hyperinflationary economies. Parallel currency. Parallel currencies are additional currencies maintained at the company code level for parallel reporting or compliance. Example, a company operating in Bangladesh uses BDT as the local currency, USD as a group currency, and Euro as a parallel currency for reporting purposes. Conclusion. Currency in SAP is vital for businesses dealing with global operations. It ensures compliance with local regulations, facilitates consolidation, enables meaningful financial analysis, and helps in managing currency risks efficiently. Without robust currency management, businesses would face challenges in maintaining accurate records, generating reports, and complying with international accounting standards. Thank you. If anything is unclear or you have any questions, please feel free to approach us.